This is a review of the Edgenuity lesson, Angle Measures of Polygons. So first in Edgenuity, they talk about the difference between being concave and convex polygons. So concave, the way I think of it, is part of the shape is caved in on itself. Another way that you can tell is if you extend the sides of a concave polygon, it will go inside the polygon. Versus convex, when you extend all the sides, they all stay outside of the polygon. They don't go inside of it. It's like that. So for example 1 here, it says, what is the sum of the interior angles of an octagon? So when you're trying to find, the keyword here is sum. So you're not finding an individual angle, you're just figuring out what they all add up to. This is the formula that you use where n is the number of sides. So for an octagon, remember that's a shape that has 8 sides. So you just do what, oops, no parenthesis there, 180 degrees times 8 minus 2. So we're going to do 180 times 6, which is 1,080 degrees. So if I added up all 8 angles in any type of octagon, this is what they have to add up to. For example 2, it says, what is the measure of each interior angle of a regular nonagon? So this one, when you have a regular polygon, regular anything, all of the angles are the same. So they're split up evenly with how many that there are. So a nonagon has 9 sides and 9 angles. So first we have to figure out how many degrees there are in an entire nonagon. That's this part of the equation. And then we're going to divide it up equally between the 9 sides. So we would go 180 times 9 minus 2 all over 9. Because again, we're finding each individual one. So that's going to be 180 times 7, because 9 minus 2 is 7. So that's 1260 divided by 9. So altogether, it's 1,260 degrees. But now I have to divide it by how many there are, because they're all the same on a regular polygon. And each individual angle is 140 degrees. When looking at the exterior angles of polygons, they always add to 360 degrees, no matter how many sides there are. Again, this is for exterior angles. They always add to 360. So this one is saying, what is the value of x? So you could go 62 plus 95 plus 101 plus x equals 360. So if we add those 3 up, 62 plus 95 plus 101, we get 258. And then if we go ahead and subtract 258 from both sides, get that x is 102 degrees.